Hello everyone, welcome back to the Planet V. Today, we're exploring one of the most iconic natural wonders in the world, Niagara Falls. If you've never been here, let me tell you, the sheer power and beauty of these falls are beyond breathtaking. If you're planning a trip, there's so much more to do than just viewing the falls, though that's amazing in itself. One of the best ways to experience the power of the falls is by taking the Maid of the Mist boat tour. You'll get up close to the base of Horseshoe Falls, and trust me, you'll get wet, but it's all part of the adventure. During our visit, we spent just one night here before heading back to New York City. We opted for a 3-hour guided tour, which we booked through our hotel for $120 each. Our guide Christine was amazing. She took us to all the must-see spots in the area, making sure we didn't miss any highlights. Niagara Falls actually consists of 3 waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, the largest and most famous, American Falls, and the smaller Bridal Veil Falls. Together, they straddle the border between the United States and Canada, with the Horseshoe Falls mainly on the Canadian side and the American and Bridal Veil Falls on the U.S. side. The falls are located on the Niagara River, which flows from Lake Erie to Lake Ontario. The water that rushes over the falls plunges down more than 160 feet at Horseshoe Falls, creating a powerful spectacle that attracts over 12 million visitors a year. Did you know Niagara Falls has been a destination for thrill seekers for centuries? The first person to go over the falls in a barrel was a woman named Annie Edson Taylor in 1901, and she survived. Since then, many daredevils have tried similar stunts, but it's now illegal. Niagara Falls is a major source of hydroelectric power. The falls generate a staggering amount of energy, helping to power homes and businesses in both the U.S. and Canada. Niagara Falls isn't just a tourist attraction, it's a bucket list experience. Whether you're here for the stunning views, the adventure of getting up close to the falls, or just to soak in the natural beauty, Niagara has something for everyone. It's a great spot for families, couples, or solo travelers looking for a unique and unforgettable experience. And if you visit at night, the falls are illuminated in vibrant colors, adding a magical touch to the whole experience. We stayed on the U.S. side of Niagara Falls, which offers direct access to the waterfalls, with viewing platforms that bring you right to the edge of the American Falls and Bridal Veil Falls for an intimate close-up experience. You can explore attractions like the Cave of the Winds, which takes you just feet away from the falls, and enjoy scenic walks through Niagara Falls State Park, all conveniently close to your accommodation. Don't miss the fireworks display during your visit. Be sure to check the local information for exact times. During our stay, the show was at 10 p.m. For a different perspective, you can walk down the Cave of the Winds on the U.S. side and stand on a series of wooden platforms that bring you right up close to Bridal Veil Falls. The sound and the mist here make it feel like you're in the heart of the falls.
Look like they're stronger than the Whirlpool, they are not. The reason why it appears like that is because the water here, you can see the rock, it's only about 2 feet deep right here. Okay, so that's what makes it look more rapid feet.
We are now at Whirlpool, where the original falls are situated. It's already dry now. Just have a quick visit. I bet you are already imagining yourself at this incredible natural wonder. If we've sparked your travel bug, don't wait. Start planning your unforgettable adventure to Niagara Falls. Trust me, you won't regret it. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration and tips. See you in the next adventure.